In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eat for on Uber Eats. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from opening the app to watching your meal arrive at your door with zero confusion. Start by opening the Uber Eats app or visiting the website. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, creating one only takes a minute. Stick to accurate information here so your deliveries land in the right place and your payment goes through smoothly. If you're on mobile, letting the app detect your location can speed things up, but you can always type your details manually if you prefer. Next, enter your delivery address. Add your home or office and include any apartment, suite, or floor information that helps a courier find you quickly. Clear delivery notes, like which entrance to use or landmarks to look for, can save time and avoid back and forth messages. Getting this right ensures the app shows you restaurants that truly deliver to your area and gives you accurate delivery times. Now it's time to choose what to eat. Browse the feed or search by craving. You'll see popular categories like burgers, pizza, coffee, milk tea, fast food, and Filipino meals, plus many more depending on your location. Tap a restaurant to open its menu, then select the items you want. Most items can be customized, so pick your size, toppings, sides, and sauces exactly how you like them. You can add drinks or desserts to round out your meal. Keep an eye on the estimated delivery time and any delivery fees shown on the restaurant page and in your cart so there are no surprises. When you're ready, head to checkout. Take a moment to review your cart, confirm the items, options, and quantities, and add any special instructions that help the restaurant prepare your order correctly, like sauce on the side or no utensils. Choose your payment method, whether that's a saved card or another available option. If you have a promo code, apply it before placing the order to see your updated total. Double check your delivery address and notes one last time, then tap place order. From here, you can track everything in real time. You'll see when the restaurant accepts your order, starts preparing it, and when a courier is on the way. The live map helps you estimate arrival so you can be ready to meet the delivery. Keeping your phone nearby makes it easy to respond if the courier sends a quick message. That's all it takes. Open Uber Eats, set your address, pick your food, and place your order. Then relax and track it to your door. Enjoy your meal.